Good day, everyone. Again, this is Mr. Rabar, Director of Rabar Review Center, Philippines. Would like to extend you some techniques of how to multiply numbers. In this lesson, we will multiply numbers or any number with a multiplier or a number with digits 1, containing digit 1. Example, if we have our 27 times 11, or you might say times here 11 in horizontal form, or we can do the multiplication in vertical form. We can show it in vertical form. Now remember, our multiplier is a number that contains one digit. In this case, there are two 1 digits here as our multiplier. And the number of 1 digits in the multiplier is very important for you to answer this directly without any further simplification. You can answer it directly. You can write it, even by your eyes, you can see the answer. Now, how to do it? It is just like this. Since there are two ones here, you need two numbers up to 2. Because 3 cannot be applied because there are only 2. No? So for example, we have here 27, this is a 2-digit number, against 11, with numbers with 1s as our multiplier, and there are 2 1s here. So all you have to do is just copy this number. You just copy the number 7. Then after that, move to another number. There are 2 numbers considered here. And remember, 2 numbers considered corresponds to numbers, digits for our multiplier. So 7 plus 2 will give you 9. And then you have already the limited part of your digit because we need only 2. Then after 1 we have 2, then go back to 1. This is 2. Copy this one, add this 2 there, then just copy the first time. The answer is 297 with no further simplification. Another example. For example, if you have 532 multiplied by 11, or maybe 11, let us say 11. The same multiplier with 2-digit 1s here, with 2 1s. Then the same procedure to the left, from right to the left. First take one number, 2. Then consider the two digits here. That will correspond the number of 1s here in our multiplier. 2 digits. If you add, this will give you 5. And then you cannot continue to 3 because there are only 2 here. So after these 2, you need another one here. Then 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Then after this, you have this 1 remaining here, 5. Therefore, the answer is 5,852. Or shall we say 532, this one. If we multiply this by 3-digit number here of 1, take note, there are 3 1s here. Unlike in this second number, there are 2 only, wherein you just add up to 2, then go back to 2, then 1. Here, you have 3, so you have to have 1, then 2, then 3, then back to 2, then 1. That is how to do it. So first, rewrite 2 of our multiplicand. Then after 1, you have 2 here, so you add this 2. You add these two, then you'll give you 5. Then after taking the 2 digits here, since there are 3, you can still proceed to 3 digits. You add these 3. So from 1, 2, then 3 digits. This is 10, but you cannot write 10 here, just write 0 because you need another one, you need another digits here, and this will be, that will be the additional digits in our answer. Remember that is 10, you have to carry 1. Remember, there is a carry 1 there. Then, you have already the 3, then go back to 2, because you have no longer digits in the leftmost. You just add these 2, then we'll give you 8, then plus 1 will give you 9. And then, after these 2, go back to this 1, to the left, you have 5. The answer is 59 and 52. That is how to multiply numbers with a multiplier that contains digit 1. So I repeat how to do it. You just first rewrite the rightmost, then proceed to the left direction. After 1 digit, you take the 2 digits. After 1, you take the 2. Then after 2, you take the 3. Then since there are 3, so go back to 2 because you are going to have only 3. Then go back to 2, this one, this will give you that one, and then the last number. And that will give you how to multiply numbers with a multiplier with ones. Let us have another example. And this time, be careful. This is a special case for this one. For example, if we will say 324, this time bigger number, but multiplied by a bigger number also that contains 4 ones, meaning multiplied by 1,111. You will notice that this multiplier contains 4 1 digits. Then you need also to have addition here up to 4. But since there are 3 digits only here, we can make it 4 by adding 0 here. Anyway, 0324 is just the same as 324. So I will put 0 here so that it will be clearer for you to add digits up to 4 digits. First, in multiplying number with a multiplier containing one digits or digits with 1, all you have to do is just copy the rightmost. Then add these 2. From 1, make it 2. Then from 2, make it 3. Then from 3, make it 4, because there are 4. So this will become 6. And then the third one here is taking 3 digits here. So this will give you 6 plus 3. And that will give you 9. Then you still have to have 4, because there are 4 here. You have to add this one and that one. And again, will give you 9. After having this 4, go back to this one with 3. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Plus 0 is still giving you 5. Then after 3, take 2. 0 plus 3 will give you 3. And then the last one is 0. No need of writing 0 because writing 0 here is just the same as having this number. So the answer therefore is 359964. It is just as easy as that. One line only, even by looking, you can answer it. Use your mind, do not use tables, just make use of the logic of numbers. So I think and I hope that I made a clear discussion regarding this topic of multiplication. Then I suggest you have to practice, more practice, practice and practice to become a math master. Thank you and good day.